students, myself Sanjeev Jain welcome you today's ATL class. Just click on Google Chrome and type tinkercad.com. Yesterday you have created your account. Now just click on this sign in button and sign in with Google. Click on this option. Now you can see the Tinkercad software is open in front of you. Now choose the circuit type of design instead of 3D, and if you want to create a new project, click on this create project, and after that click on this create new circuit. So this is your work area where you will create your own circuit. Today I will teach you how to create a simple circuit design by using three components. One is LED, second is resistor, and third is battery. If you want to search a particular component, you can type over here and press enter. I am taking the 9V battery. Now I am placing the LED over here, resistors over here, and battery. I am not going in the detail what is the purpose of resistor and the other thing. Simply you will come to know how to design a circuit. So just click on, just rotate the mouse pointer to the LED. There are two pins, one is cathode and second is anode. And over here there are two pins, one is negative pin, second is a positive pin. Just keep in your mind your positive pin will attach with this anode and your negative pin should attach with this cathode. Again I am repeating, the positive pin of the 9V battery should be attached with this anode and the negative pin should attach with this cathode directly. Just see to it. I am connecting the positive wire with this anode and negative wire with this cathode pin. What will happen? This is the connection of LED with the 9V battery. If you will not use this resistor, I am going to delete this. Now I am going to start this simulation. Just click on this start simulation. What will happen? You will observe the LED burst over here. Why? Because LED maximum voltage the LED can take from the battery is 2 to 3V, but from here 9V is coming to the LED. You can see the LED is burst. Why? Because LED required maximum 2 to 3V of voltage. So here the 9V battery is giving the 9V to the LED directly. That is why it burst. So student, you can see I have joined the LED with the 9V battery directly. 9V battery is providing 9V current to this LED, but LED will not support 9V current. Maximum 2 to 3V can be supported by the LED. So how to convert 9V current into 2 to 3V? For that I will take a resistor from here and place in between LED and 9V. I am going to delete all these wires. Select and click on this delete button from the keyboard. Now what I am going to do, again I am going to join the positive wire of the 9V battery with this anode, and I am taking the negative wire from this 9V battery and joining the wire with this terminal 1. Then from terminal 2 I am taking another wire and joining that wire with the cathode of LED. Now just click on this start simulation. What will happen? You can see now the LED is glowing over here. Similarly, if you want to change the color of LED, stop this simulation, select this LED, change the color of from red to green. Now just click on this start simulation. You will see the color of LED will change. I hope this is clear to all. Now suppose you want to make a project by using two LEDs. What will you do? For that, first of all, stop simulation, take another LED and place over here. Now what you will do, just delete this connection from this cathode and just delete the connection of with the resistors. Now what you will do, you just connect the cathode wire with this anode one, and then after attach the anode with the terminal 2 of the resistor, and from the negative point just connect the terminal 1 of the resistor. Now click on this start simulation once again. You can see this is serial connection. Red and green LED is going to glow over here. Similarly, you can attach more LEDs over there in a serial connection, but keep this thing in your mind. Positive terminal should be attached with any of the anode. Then after you can connect the cathode with the another anode. This is called serial connection. Then from cathode you can connect with the terminal 1 or 2. There is no difference between terminal 1 and 2. Then after terminal 1 you can connect the wire with the negative of the 9-volt battery. In this way your first project will be completed. Try this project at home by using Tinkercad software. In next video I will tell you how to glow more than 2 LEDs by using parallel connections. I hope this concept is clear to you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.